which is the appropriate course certification for non-technical persons who are working as an operational manager in a BPO e-commerce space. So I think we are getting these kind of interest in the recent time, and we do understand many of the people who are into operational space may also want to look for enhancing their career, their leadership skills. So from our side, again, we can talk from our gambit of certification programs. So in general, the our approach for the people who are running business as usual, who are expected to lead primarily a people groups, and those people might be doing some set of predefined things. So what I can do to improve my leadership skills to make myself ready for the next level. So in general, our understanding is it's all about uh, conversation, it's all about coaching, it's all about mentoring skills. And from our side, our proposal is that person should consider improving their coaching skills. And coaching is a very kind of integrated part of leadership, so you lead people by coaching them, you mentor them, and then you take them forward. And many time in a operational space, in a people management space, that's the skill you are expected to have. That's the skill which makes you grow. So from our certification set, we have a little bit long duration program, which is called ICF ACC program, which makes you kind of it helps you to acquire the necessary training hours and facilitate you to acquire a certification from a body called International Coach Federation. It's primarily on a coaching space. It is not directly touching upon your BPO or a e-commerce space. It is primarily enhancing your people management capability. So that's a one program one can consider. That's the thing. Now, other than that, if you are also expected to do some flow based work, so you want to improve your processes and you want to see that the ticket management and the throughput which you are getting from the team, and you want to have some kind of a proper measurement of cycle time and all, then the another program from a process oriented perspective we can recommend you from our gambit of program is Kanban program. There is a body called Kanban University, and they run how to apply Kanban in the knowledge workspace. It is not primarily focusing on the manufacturing space. It is primarily focusing on knowledge based space. So I understand the e-commerce, BPO, HR, marketing, still a significant amount of knowledge work is there. Yes, you may not have a predictability product, you may not have a demonstration, you may not have projectized working all the time, but you have good amount of flow based working. So that's the another stream of work one can pick up if you want to do a process oriented stuff, which is a Kanban. So you can start with the first level certification, which is called Kanban System Design, also known as KMP1. And KMP1 or a Kanban System Design, both are actually a synonym, requires around 14 to 14 hours of education program. I think we spread it 2 weekends. So that's the one program you can do it. It's a short term program. So unlike the coaching program, this one is something you can finish in 2 weekends, and you acquire some practical, actionable insights which can help you in managing the flow and collecting some kind of a metrics oriented data in your space. So from our certification gambit, I can propose these two programs. So I repeat again, I think I missed explaining the name of the certification less. So the 14 hours program is called Kanban System Design. It's also known as KMP1 if you go to our website in the Kanban space, and it requires around 2 weekends of investment. We run a class which will last for 14 hours, and by acquiring that, you understand how to manage the flow of work in a team. That's the one type of certificate. It's just a 2 weekend investment, 14 hours. The another program is called coaching program, so which helps you to acquire a certification called ICF ACC. So that is something you can do it. So that's the second program is ICF ACC program, which will help you to. It's a 6 months to 1 year program, and that's also you can find under coaching and leadership section of our website. Yeah, these are the two programs. So KMP1 and ICF leadership program, which we call it, and which leads to a certification named ICF ACC. Yeah, so it's a coaching certificate. So these are the two certificates from our side.